forces out. We have Latin Music goes on to the lead. It's Latin Music followed by Ho Ho Ho, Patricia Spet. Then followed over by number 2, Highway Builder. Next in line, Demolition Jack. Moving a party outside, Amazing Pace. Into the turn they go, Latin Music, the leader by Oralenka. Right behind in second is Patricia Speta. Ho 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 is racing in third, Demolition Jack in fourth. Highway Builder in fifth, moving a party outside, Amazing Pace. Gang Ho comes next, comes Haley's Comet, Ali, Mr. Cool. Then followed by Blueprint. Latin Music, Patricia Spet now takes the lead. Then here comes Ho Ho Ho. Now coming closer in third, Amazing Pace in fourth. Patricia Spet by about 2 for Avalenka. Ho 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 is on the outside second. Then in third, Latin Music, Amazing Pace, Ali also coming into the picture as they come down to the last 200. Ho 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 by Avalenka. Patricia Spet is by the rail. Then in third, Ali. Last 150. And it's still Ho 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 by about 2 lengths over Patricia Spet. And finally, Ho Ho Ho, Patricia Spet, Ali. Then comes Amazing Pace.
12 and a half, 25 and a half, 26, 27 and a half, total time 131.8 para kay Ho Ho Ho. Siyempre, slow mo tayo at nang makita natin yung ating super call, di pa rin napipid. 9.
16,344. 5. 14,5. 12.
Eto na. Tabing balya, Latin Music no? Tapos Mr. Cool yung nasa labas. Nasa gitna si Sea of Galilee. Yun ang photo natin between 1 and 8 para sa inyong Super 6.
Yun na nga. 9, 14, 5, 12, 13, and 1. Okie dokie.
At yan ay mga dividendo.
Win pay 650, 18 pesos yung forecast. 914, 914, 5 trifecta, 2660, 914, 512, 567.80, 914, 512, 13, and 1, 10,581.60.
Gismil. Kulang.
Naiyak-yat sa pangapat yung 12.
Okay, antabay pa tayo sa ibang mga dividendo. Daily double, 14.9, 52.50. Daily double plus 1, 149, 159.60.